Take a moment, just pause, breathe, and really take it all in. Look around you. Observe the details, the textures, the colors, the subtle nuances of your surroundings. Now close your eyes and imagine. Delve into the realm of possibilities. Let your mind wander beyond the confines of your present reality. What if you'd made a different choice years ago? A seemingly insignificant decision, a road not taken. How would your life be different? What paths would have opened up before you? In another reality, another you did. A version of you exists where that different choice was made, setting in motion a completely different chain of events. Maybe they're a marine biologist exploring the depths of the ocean, surrounded by vibrant coral reefs and fascinating marine life. Perhaps they're studying the intricate ecosystems of the sea, dedicated to protecting our planet's oceans. Or an artist, pouring their heart and soul onto a canvas, creating breathtaking masterpieces that evoke emotion and inspire others. They might be experimenting with different mediums, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression, or just ordered a different coffee this morning. A simple change in routine, a different flavor to start the day, leading to a series of unexpected encounters and opportunities. This isn't just a daydream, it's not mere fantasy or wishful thinking. It's a doorway to one of science's most mind-bending ideas, a concept that challenges our understanding of reality and the very fabric of the universe. These other yous, in theory, are just as real as you are, existing in parallel universes, living out their lives with their own unique experiences and perspectives. They feel, breathe, and wonder just as you do. They experience joy, sorrow, love, and loss, just like you. They ponder the mysteries of existence and search for meaning in their lives. Our reality might be just one page, a single chapter in a cosmic library of infinite stories. A vast collection of narratives, each one unique and interconnected, representing the infinite possibilities of existence. Every choice you make and every choice you don't, every path you choose to follow or leave behind, plays out somewhere in this grand cosmic theater. A stage where the drama of existence unfolds, with countless actors playing out their roles in the grand scheme of things. The idea is both humbling and exhilarating, a reminder of our place in the vast universe and the infinite potential that lies within us. Every path not taken is taken by another you. A parallel version of yourself exploring a different avenue, experiencing a different set of challenges and triumphs. The love you lost, the relationship that slipped through your fingers, the career you abandoned, the path you decided not to pursue, the job you left behind somewhere, another you found fulfillment. Another version of you embraced that opportunity and achieved success and happiness. This isn't about regret, but about wonder. It's not about dwelling on what could have been, but about appreciating the infinite possibilities of existence. The universe, or multiverse, the vast expanse of space and time, or perhaps an infinite collection of universes, could be infinitely stranger than we imagine. Beyond our wildest dreams, beyond the limits of our current understanding, our personal history becomes a branching tree of endless possibilities, each decision point creating new branches, new paths, new realities. So let's embark on a journey, a voyage of discovery and exploration of the unknown, not just across space and time but across realities. A journey that will challenge our perceptions and expand our understanding of the universe. We'll travel from our familiar world, from the comfort of our everyday lives, to the bizarre landscapes of quantum mechanics and cosmology, to the realm of subatomic particles and the vastness of the cosmos, where the laws of physics bend and break. We'll search for evidence, we will delve into the mysteries of the universe, for cosmic clues that suggest we're part of something much bigger, for hints and whispers that point to the existence of parallel universes and the interconnectedness of all things. Open your mind, be receptive to new ideas, challenge your assumptions, and embrace the unknown. Out there, another you might be looking up at their sky, wondering about you. In a parallel universe, another version of you might be gazing at the stars, contemplating the same mysteries and wondering about your existence. Parallel universes aren't just the stuff of science fiction novels and blockbuster movies. They're actually a serious and increasingly debated topic in modern science and cosmology. The concept has moved from the fringes of speculation to become a legitimate area of inquiry. The fundamental question that leads us to consider the possibility of other universes is deceptively simple. Where exactly does our own universe end? And what lies beyond that boundary, if there even is one? Our ability to observe the universe is inherently limited by the speed of light, the ultimate cosmic speed limit. This limitation is further compounded by the age of the cosmos itself. The universe has only existed for a finite amount of time, roughly 13.8 billion years. Consequently, there's a boundary to what we can physically see, a cosmic horizon beyond which light simply hasn't had enough time to reach us. But beyond that observable limit, the universe may very well stretch on, perhaps infinitely, into regions we can never directly observe. Within this potentially infinite expanse, probability dictates that the arrangement of particles must, at some point, inevitably repeat itself. This repetition would lead to the creation of regions that are virtually identical to our own, effectively creating duplicates of our world. And not just duplicates of our world, but also duplicates of ourselves, living out similar lives in these distant cosmic realms. This concept is known as the quilted multiverse, a scenario that doesn't require any new or exotic physics, just the sheer vastness and potential infinity of space. However, other multiverse theories venture even further into the realm of the unknown, suggesting that our universe might be just one bubble, a single isolated entity, floating within a much larger sea of other bubble universes. In this bubble multiverse, each bubble could potentially have its own unique set of physical laws and constants, fundamentally different from our own. The idea of a multiverse isn't simply a whimsical or imaginative concept. It naturally emerges as a consequence of some of our most successful and well-supported theories in physics, including the theory of cosmic inflation, which describes the rapid expansion of the early universe, and string theory, a theoretical framework that attempts to unify all the fundamental forces of nature. In many different versions and interpretations, these advanced theories inherently require the existence of other universes beyond our own. In a way, the multiverse is like a signpost, written in the intricate language of mathematics, pointing us towards a reality that is far more expansive, far more complex, and far grander than anything we can directly experience or even imagine. To truly grasp a central argument supporting the existence of the multiverse, we need to venture into the realm of the incredibly small. We need to leave behind our everyday experiences and journey into a world governed by entirely different rules. We must shrink down, 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 to the quantum world, a place where the familiar laws of physics begin to blur and new, strange phenomena emerge. Here, particles don't have definite locations. Instead, they exist in hazy clouds of probabilities, a range of potential locations all at once. It's a world of uncertainty and potential. They occupy many places at once, existing in a superposition of states. Think of it as a ghostly presence spread across multiple locations simultaneously. This probabilistic existence continues until we observe them, until we make a measurement. The famous double-slit experiment beautifully illustrates this quantum weirdness. It shows a single electron, seemingly impossibly, behaving as if it passes through both slits at once, creating an interference pattern like a wave. The Copenhagen interpretation, one of the earliest attempts to explain these phenomena, says the act of measurement forces these possibilities to collapse, resolving into one single definite reality. The act of observing determines the outcome. But Hugh Everett's many worlds interpretation offers a radically different perspective. It suggests that instead of collapsing, all possibilities are real, each unfolding in its own separate universe. Every quantum event, every quantum decision splits the universe. In one branch the electron goes left, in another it goes right, creating two distinct realities. Every choice we make, every interaction of every particle, branches reality into countless new paths. The other you, your counterpart in another universe, the one who made a different choice at some critical juncture, could have been created by a quantum event, perhaps even a single neuron firing differently in your very own brain. One neuron fires this way, leading to one thought, one action, another that way, leading down a completely different path, and suddenly, two universes branch off, each with its own unique trajectory. You live in one branch, experiencing the consequences of your choices, while your double exists simultaneously in another, living out a different version of your life. This branching doesn't just happen occasionally, it happens everywhere, constantly, all the time, at every scale, shaping the very fabric of reality. According to this mind-bending theory, the many worlds interpretation, we live in a constantly splitting, ever-expanding tree of realities, a vast and complex structure of branching timelines. The quantum multiverse, born from the strange laws of quantum mechanics, is vast beyond imagination, a truly awe-inspiring concept. Every possibility, no matter how improbable, is realized somewhere within this infinite expanse of branching universes. Is there evidence for other universes in the sky? The The cosmic microwave background, or CMB, is the afterglow of the Big Bang, a snapshot of the infant cosmos. It's almost uniform but not quite. Tiny fluctuations seeded all future galaxies. Most patterns match predictions, but some anomalies remain, like the cold spot, a region unusually large and cold. It could be a random fluke or something more. Some scientists propose it's a bruise, a remnant of a collision between our universe and another bubble universe. Such a cosmic fender bender would leave a scar in the CMB, a large, cold region. The cold spot has some of these features. It's not proof, but it's a tantalizing hint that we might be seeing evidence of a universe beyond our own. To find where bubble universes come from, we go back to the first instant after the Big Bang. Cosmic inflation says the universe expanded unimaginably fast, smoothing out space. But inflation might not stop everywhere. It could continue forever in some regions. Imagine boiling water. Bubbles form and expand. Our universe is one bubble. Outside, inflation continues. New bubbles, new universes form endlessly in this cosmic foam. This isn't just speculation, it's a direct consequence of inflation theory. If inflation is correct, a multiverse may be inevitable. Each bubble could have different properties, different laws of physics. Most would be lifeless, but with infinite bubbles, at least one, ours, has the right conditions for life. We are one bubble in an endless cosmic sea. If our universe is one bubble among many, can we ever prove it? The best hope is to find signs of a past collision, like the CMB cold spot. A collision would send shockwaves through spacetime, leaving a distinctive disc-shaped pattern in the CMB. So far, searches for these patterns have come up empty, but maybe collisions are rare, or their signatures too faint for current instruments. As technology improves, we may yet find these cosmic bruises. Discovering one would be a turning point, proof that our reality is not the only one. The search continues, pushing the boundaries of what we know. Another path to the multiverse comes from the quest for a theory of everything. String theory proposes that reality's building blocks are tiny, vibrating strings. For the math to work, extra dimensions, at least 10, are required, curled up too small to see. The shape of these hidden dimensions determines the laws of physics in each universe. String theory allows for a staggering number of possible shapes, each creating a different universe. This is the string theory landscape, a vast collection of possible universes, each with unique physical laws. Our universe is just one valley in this landscape. We don't live in a universe, we live in a landscape of possibilities. Why is our universe so perfectly suited for life? The constants of nature seem fine-tuned. Change them slightly, and life becomes impossible. This is the fine-tuning problem. Some see it as evidence of a cosmic designer, but the multiverse offers another answer, the anthropic principle. Of course, we find ourselves in a universe with the right conditions. Otherwise, we wouldn't be here to notice. If there are countless universes, most are barren. We simply won the cosmic lottery. Our existence isn't less special. It's just one outcome among many. We're not the center of a designed universe, but inhabitants of a rare oasis in a vast cosmic desert. The multiverse reframes our place in the cosmos. We are here because we are here in one of the few places where life is possible. We've journeyed from quantum uncertainty to cosmic inflation, and seen how the multiverse emerges from our best science. What does it mean for us? It means you are larger than you know. You contain multitudes. If there are infinite versions of you, does that make your life less meaningful? No. Your life right now is the only one you'll ever experience. The existence of other yous places your story in a grander context. Every path has meaning, every choice creates a new world. The multiverse suggests no potential is ever truly lost, it's realized somewhere. It invites us to live with wonder, knowing we're exploring one unique path through infinite possibilities. The universe is stranger than we can imagine, so keep asking questions, keep exploring. Tonight, when you look at the stars, remember, you might be gazing at just one sky in an infinite sea of skies.